Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesforce territory management rules after update, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Salesforce territory management rules after an update, first, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Quick Find box, type Territory Settings. Select Territory Settings from the filter results. Check if Territory Management is enabled. If it is not, enable it to access the territory settings. Locate the section for established territory models. Review the territory models and identify which one you need to restore. Click on the territory model you wish to edit. Review any existing territory rules associated with this model. To restore a rule, click on the Edit button next to that territory rule. Adjust the parameters of the rule as needed to match your previous setup. Ensure that the rule logic reflects your operational needs. Save any changes you make to the territory rule. If needed, create new territory rules by clicking on the New Rule button. Define the criteria for the new rule carefully. Assign the appropriate territories to each rule. Once you're satisfied with your changes, test the rules to confirm they function as expected. If necessary, adjust the order of the rules to prioritize them correctly. Use the Activate button to make your territory rules effective. Finally, review the entire territory model to ensure all rules are set correctly. Consider reaching out to your admin team if you encounter issues. Document the changes made for future reference and audits. Regularly review and update the territory management rules after significant updates to maintain operational efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.